Ever heard of a place where the laws of physics seem to just bend? Welcome to the Ozarks, a region full of strange phenomena. From tourist traps that mess with your mind to genuine scientific mysteries that have puzzled researchers for decades. Let us start with something you might have seen on a roadside trip: gravity hills and mystery houses. Imagine packing your car at the bottom of a hill, putting it in neutral, and watching it roll uphill, or seeing water flow against gravity. These spots are all over the Ozarks, and while they feel like magic, they're actually incredible optical illusions. The secret lies in the horizon line. The surrounding landscape, the trees, and the slope of the road are all tilted in a way that tricks your brain. You think you're looking at a gentle uphill slope when it's really a slight downhill grade. The same principle applies to mystery houses. These are buildings constructed at a crazy angle. Inside, the slanted floors and walls become your brain's new reference for what's level. So when you see a ball roll uphill across the floor, it's just following the real law of gravity, but your eyes are telling you a completely different story. It's a brilliant and fun way to see just how easily our perception can be fooled. But not everything in the Ozarks can be explained away as a simple trick of the eye. Let's talk about one of the most enduring mysteries of the region: the Ozark Spooklight, also known as the Hornet Ghost Light. This phenomenon has been reported for generations near the Missouri-Oklahoma border. People describe seeing a single glowing orb of light, sometimes orange, sometimes white, floating above a gravel road at night. It can appear, disappear, split into smaller lights, and move around erratically. For years, local legends have attributed it to everything from the lantern of a deceased miner to the spirits of Native American lovers. But what does science say? Well, there are a few theories. One popular idea is that it's a form of pyozoa, where the immense pressure on the quartz-rich rocks underground generates an electrical charge. Another theory suggests it's a pocket of swamp gas or other atmospheric gases that somehow ignite. And of course, there's the more mundane explanation. It could just be the reflection of distant car headlights, distorted by layers of air at different temperatures, an effect known as a fata morgana. Despite numerous investigations, no single explanation has been proven, and the spooklight remains a genuine, spooky mystery. Now, beyond the folklore and the funhouse physics, the Ozarks are actually a serious hub for cutting-edge, real-world physics research. You might be surprised to learn that this region is home to world-class scientists tackling some of the biggest questions in the universe. Back in the 1970s, Dr. Harley Rutledge, the head of the physics department at Southeast Missouri State University, conducted one of the first-ever scientific field studies of UFO phenomena right there in Piedmont, Missouri. He and his team spent years documenting strange lights and objects in the sky, not with ghost stories, but with scientific instruments, publishing their findings in a rigorous study. Today, that tradition of serious inquiry continues. The University of Arkansas, for example, has a renowned physics department. Researchers there are involved in some of the most important experiments on the planet. They collaborate with CERN in Switzerland on projects related to the Higgs boson, the particle that gives mass to everything. They also work with Fermilab near Chicago, studying elusive particles called muons. So, from investigating mysterious floating lights to contributing to our fundamental understanding of the cosmos, the Ozarks are a place where physics is both strange and profoundly important. So the next time you think of the Ozarks, remember, it's not just beautiful hills and rivers. It's a place where reality can seem to warp before your very eyes, where unexplained lights dance in the darkness, and where brilliant minds are unlocking the secrets of the universe. It's a reminder that there's always something more to discover, sometimes right in our own backyards. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the weird and wonderful world of Ozark physics, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. See you next time.